Hey everyone, check out the Urackify stainless steel dish drying rack, made from premium 304 surgical grade stainless steel that resists rust and stays shiny for years. It offers massive capacity with space for plates, bowls, pots, pans, and a 3-slot utensil organizer to keep everything tidy. The smart drainage system has a sloped design and removable drip tray to keep your counters dry and clean. This versatile 4-in-1 modular rack includes a cup shelf and drain board, all detachable for easy cleaning and customization. Assembly is quick and simple, requiring no special tools, and the durable steel lasts 5 to 10 years longer than plastic racks. Plus, it features a plate support height of 6.2 inches, perfect for stable drying of larger dishes. Say goodbye to cluttered counters and hello to an organized, efficient kitchen with Urackify. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.